Services at Etihad. New cabins, from December 2014. With the introduction of the Airbus A380 and Boeing 787, new cabins were introduced, their names being, the Residence, A380 only, the First Apartments, A380 only, First Suite, 787-9 only, Business Studio and Economy Smart Seat. The rest of the fleet will gradually be retrofitted with these cabins except for the Residence and First Apartment cabins, which are exclusive to the Airbus A380. The Residence was the only three-room cabin on any airline when it was introduced in December 2014. The Residence, Airbus A380 only. The Residence accommodates 1 or 2 people, in a space of 125 square feet, 11.6 square meters. It features a private living room, bedroom, and bathroom. It features a 60.6-inch, 154 centimeters, wide 2-seater reclining sofa and 32-inch, 81 centimeters, TV monitor in the lounge, an ensuite bathroom with shower, an 82-inch, 210 centimeters, long, 47.5-inch, 121 centimeters, wide double bed in the bedroom which also includes a 27-inch, 69 centimeters, TV monitor, and a personal butler. First apartment, Airbus A380 only. First class on Airbus A380s was overhauled with the first apartments. There are 9 in total, configured 1-to-1 across a single aisle, and take up a total area of 39 square feet, 3.6 square meters, each. It features a 30.3-inch, 77 centimeters, wide reclining chair, a full-length ottoman which can be transformed into a bed, a 24-inch, 61 centimeters, TV monitor which can swing to align itself to the ottoman so that it can be viewed from the bed, a vanity cabinet, and a bar with assorted chilled drinks. In 2015, this class was named the world's best first class due to its luxurious innovation. First Suite, Boeing 787-9 only. Some Boeing 787-9s have 8 first suites to accommodate the narrower aircraft. The service includes a 26-inch, 66 centimeters, wide reclining lounge chair, which converts into an 80.5-inch, 204 centimeters, fully flat bed, dining table, and a 24-inch, 61 centimeters, TV monitor. All covers are tailored by Poltrona Frau. There is a personal wardrobe, along with total privacy with high sliding doors. Business Studio. The Business Studio is on both models, with 70 seats on the Airbus A380s, 28 on the Boeing 787-9s, and 32 on the Boeing 787-10s. The studio seats include a 22-inch, 56 centimeters, wide reclining chair, which converts into a fully flat bed, and an 18-inch, 46 centimeters, TV monitor. All have leather covers tailored by Poltrona Frau. It is featured in a 1-2-1 seating style so all seats have direct aisle access. Economy Smart Seat. Economy Smart Seats feature a 17-inch, 43 centimeters, wide seat on the Boeing 787s and 19-inch, 48 centimeters, wide seat on the Airbus A380s, with a 31 to 33-inch, 79 to 84 centimeters, pitch and 6-inch, 15 centimeters, recline. There is also an 11-inch, 28 centimeters, touchscreen fitted with Etihad's entertainment system. It uses a 3-4-3 seating style on the Airbus A380s, and 3-3-3 seating style on the Boeing 787s. In 2018, Etihad Airways announced its new brand platform named Choose Well, which allows guests to make choices about how they travel in terms of airport services, luggage allowance, seats, and the addition of buying on-board service. In-flight entertainment. Etihad uses both the Panasonic X2 and the Thales Top Series i5000 in-flight entertainment system with AVOD, audio-video on demand, system on its new long-range aircraft and on some of its new A320-200 aircraft. Etihad brands the system as the E-Box. International destination fleets have a plug-and-play system which works on USB technology, that allow passengers to play their own audio, video and picture media. The Boeing 777-300ER aircraft have in-flight telephones. On April 28, 2019, Etihad announced that it would remove seatback screens in the economy section of 23 of its narrow-body Airbus A320 and A321 aircraft, used for flights of up to 5 hours. Etihad signed a new 10-year agreement with Panasonic Avionics Corporation in 2011 for the provision of in-flight entertainment including broadband internet and live TV. Loyalty Program. Etihad Guest is the airline's frequent flyer program, launched on August 30, 2006. It offers a discount web shop for members and multiple benefits and perks such as extra baggage and priority check-in for frequent flyers. Points may also be redeemed for tickets or class upgrades. As part of an agreement between Etihad and the United Arab Emirates Ministry of Community Development, senior Emirati citizens get instant access to Etihad's loyalty program and are entitled to perks of more air miles, discounted tickets, priority check-in, and extra baggage. As part of a partnership with American Airlines, American Airline Loyalty Program Advantage may be redeemed for tickets on Etihad. Similar partnership exists for the Scandinavian Airlines Loyalty Program Eurobonus, where members can earn and spend bonus points on selected flights. Etihad Guest Loyalty members are rewarded with Etihad Miles when they book accommodations through Booking.com as a result of a deal inked between Booking.com and Etihad Airways in 2019. Accidents and incidents. As of 2021, Etihad Airways had not suffered any fatal accidents during passenger operations. 15 November 2007, a new A340-600, registration A6EHG, due for delivery to Etihad Airways was damaged beyond repair during ground testing at Airbus facilities at Toulouse-Blagnac International Airport in France. During a pre-delivery engine test, multiple safety systems had been disabled by engineers, leading to the non-shocked aircraft accelerating to 31 knots, 57 km per hour, and colliding with a concrete blast deflection wall. Severe damage was inflicted on the aircraft and 9 people on board were injured, 4 of them seriously. The right wing, tail, and left engines made contact with the ground or wall, leaving the forward section of the aircraft elevated several meters and the cockpit broke off. Use of biofuel. Etihad Airways flew the world's first Boeing 787 Dreamliner commercial flight using locally produced jet fuel derived from Salicornia plant on January 15, 2019. The flight flew from Abu Dhabi to Amsterdam. The aviation biofuel was researched and developed by Sustainable Bioenergy Research Consortium, SBRC, a non-profit entity established by Masdar Institute, part of the Khalifa University of Science and Technology. The 787 engine was powered by General Electric's next-generation GX-1B engines and flew for more than 7 hours, taking off from Abu Dhabi and arriving in Amsterdam. It is a Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner nicknamed Greenliner and is registered as A6BMH. In 2023, the airline won an industry award for its environmental efforts. According to its own sustainability report, Etihad said it had achieved a 26% reduction in CO2 emissions per revenue ton-kilometer. Etihad Airways, the national airline of the United Arab Emirates, has established itself as the world's leading airline in just 8 years. Set up by Royal Amiri decree in July 2003, Etihad commenced commercial operations in November 2003 and has gone on to become the fastest-growing airline in the history of commercial aviation. Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, is the airline's hub. From here, Etihad's fleet of 125 aircraft serve an international network of over 120 destinations. The airline seeks to reflect the best of Arabian hospitality, cultured, considerate, warm, and generous, as well as enhance the prestige of Abu Dhabi as a center of hospitality between East and West. Etihad has received a range of awards that reflect its position as the leading premium airline brand in the world, including World's Leading Airline at the World Travel Awards. Fly to the future.